Viral videos, short videos that quickly gain widespread attention and shares across social media platforms. Examples include the Gangnam Style music video, the Charlie Bit My Finger video, and various challenges like the Ice Bucket Challenge. Memes. Memes are humorous or satirical images, videos, or text that spread rapidly on the internet. Memes often reflect pop culture references, social commentary, or relatable situations. Examples include the distracted boyfriend, Doge, and woman yelling at a cat memes. YouTube creators. YouTube has produced numerous influential creators who have amassed large followings and become celebrities in their own right. Some well-known YouTube stars include PewDiePie, T-Series, Mr. Beast, Dude Perfect, and Casey Neistat. Social media influencers. Influencers on platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter have gained immense popularity and often have millions of followers. They typically create content related to fashion, beauty, travel, lifestyle, or comedy. Examples include Kylie Jenner, Cristiano Ronaldo, Addison Rae, and Charli D'Amelio. TV shows and movies. Popular TV shows like Game of Thrones, Stranger Things, and Breaking Bad have garnered massive global audiences and critical acclaim. Similarly, blockbuster movies like the Marvel Cinematic Universe films, Avatar, and Star Wars have achieved widespread fame and commercial success.